Okay, hey guys, good afternoon. This is Demetrius again from Akeelah Traders, and so today is February 1st, 2024, and so I'm going to review our trader system, automated trading system that has been trading today. And so right now I'm coming to our account, and we've got several accounts that we're trading and managing, and I don't think we're in any active trades right now, but we've got plenty of videos running showing that our system how it operates, takes trades, manages trades, and that kind of thing. So the purpose of today's video is just to kind of review some of the trading results of a day. So our system has been trading for several hours today. And again, right now we're closed out. So I just want to see what kind of results we've seen. So here on this first account, and I'm going to show a couple of different accounts of different sizes. And so on this first account here, this is approximately $20,000 account or so. Let's go and look at the history of what we've done so far today. Excuse me. And as you can see here, we've got several trades. I'm going to sort this by the symbols. And so we can see what we have been trading. We had a manual trade over here on EJ. This was something our team was trying out. Yesterday, we lost that trade. That did not work out very well. So that was not an automated trade, but everything else here for the rest of the day was just our system trading on its own automatically with no interaction here. So we've been trading primarily NAS100 and gold. So we took several trades on NAS100. You can see we had some profitable trades here. Let me move this thing out of the way. Had a few losses here on NAS. Some other wins here. So kind of it looked like overall profitable on NAS. Got a pretty consistent run here once the market picked up. We have this particular strategies that we're running here. These particular strategies on Gold and Nas, we're running these around the clock just based on the settings. And so we know the volumes typically pick up during the New York time. So we're going to see, it's not unusual to see some losses overnight and things start to pick up during the day. So here back on Gold, we had a couple of wins here early on Gold, had a loss. Actually, two trades in a row that we lost on Gold because each of our trades takes 3 entries. And then we started to see some momentum pick up, get some small wins on Gold, a few small losses here. But overall for today, on this particular account, we're up $2,500. And so that's including all of the trades, the things that you saw above, that the system has been trading. So that's a pretty good day compared to the size of this account. So that's a little over 10% that's made in that day. Now, this particular account, these strategies that we're trading, these are some of our aggressive strategies. So we're trading them with aggressive amount of risk, aggressive opportunities that we're looking for in the market, stop losses and take profit targets, that kind of thing. And so that's pretty good results, a little over 10% in a day from that size of an account. Okay, let's go look at, we've got 2 smaller accounts that we are trading. And I don't think either of these is in any active trades right now. Okay, so no. So this is a small account here that is right around $1,000, $800, somewhere in that range. And so likewise, we're trading some not so aggressive strategies on here. We're trading a little more of our conservative trades on this one. So let's take a look here. And so this account here has made about $10 today. I don't think it took a lot of trades, not nearly as many as the other one. So again, smaller account. We're not able to take as many trades on this account because of the size of the account. But we've been trading US 30 here, and that may be all that we traded today. Yeah, only US 30. And so just trading US 30 on this account, we made like $10. So that's a little over 1% of the account size, which is a great profit target for the day. Again, with this size of account, it's very difficult to trade instruments like US 30, NAS100, some of those kinds of things, just because the amount of size the size of the account needs to be much larger to do that. So forgive me for stumbling over that. Okay, so that's that account. Then we have another account where we are trading, and I believe on this one, this account is the one that hit the profit targets. Yeah. So if I look here today on this one, our system automatically stopped trading this one early this morning. So at 11 o'clock, we stopped trading this morning. This is Eastern time. So 11 a.m. Eastern time, this account stopped trading because it had met the daily profit goal. Okay, so let's look and see what the history is on that one. I'll push this back up, out of the way. So on this account, we're trading, again, NAS100 and gold. Still a small account, but we're using a little more conservative settings and trading more of our standard primary strategies on here, not the aggressive strategies. And so overall, we had a mixed amount of trades that we took here on NAS100 and gold. So you're going to see the size of these wins and losses are much smaller because they're scaled to the size of the account. But overall on this account here today, look like we made about $65. So the trigger that we have on this account is the 10%. And so 10% of the account size, would have been where we triggered to close out the trade. So we must have started today with somewhere around $600, $640 or something like that. And so once we made our 10%, the system automatically stopped trading. We put those inputs into there ahead of time, and those are inputs that you can change on a daily basis, a weekly basis, monthly basis, or whatever. You kind of put your parameters in there, and the system will, comply with that. Okay, so that's just a review of a few of those accounts. There's several other ones that we've got trading, but I don't want to take too much time to pull up all of those. But right now, we're not currently in any live trades. Actually, let me jump back here. It looks like this account here did just pick up a trade on NAS100. So let's go and look and see what's going on NAS. Like we took a buy here on NAS100. And again, this is a larger size account. And we're trading an aggressive strategy. So this is the account size that we've already profited. What I say this was a little over $2,500 today trading this strategy. So we can see here we just got the buy signal here on NAS100, and we took a buy right at this range. And our stop losses are down here. The system automatically put the stop losses, calculated the stop losses to be where they need to be based on the the technical indicators and things that's feeding this particular strategy. So our take profit target is up in this range here, so above this upper resistance area. And so we took this trade again. I think we're trading this one on the 15-minute time frame. And so there's exit criteria in here to see if after a couple of candles this trade is not moving in our direction, then we're going to cut it and take our losses. If it gets a little bit into profit and starts to shift back the other way, it's going to cut it and take some small profits. And so I'm glad we're able to see one pickup live here. But stop losses, take profit targets are automatically set. And again, our risk that we're trading is based on the settings that we put into this. So it's going to risk that same amount consistently. And as you saw from the results, pretty successful so far today. Okay. All right. But for time's sake, I'm just going to, end this video right here. We can always do a follow-up to see how this how this particular trade, plays out. But I think it's more importantly that you saw the actual trade results of how the system has done so far today. Okay. All right. We're going to probably post this on our YouTube channel. If you see this here, please do like this video, subscribe to our channel. We endeavor to post more videos like this to kind of keep you guys updated on how we're doing in the trading thing, not just with our automated system, but with a lot of other trades that we're seeing in the market as well. So please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave us any comments if you have questions. Okay, thanks, and see you guys next time.